Alright, now made the positive connection to the inverter and the negative to the grounding terminal, and the only thing left is for me to run the connectors here and this one back to the battery through this connect, and then the battery I have to cut the end of that terminal off, feed it into here, piggyback this charge controller battery connect, which is switched. That way we can isolate the inverter and still charge the batteries if we want to, unless we switch this off. So it's all good. Just need a few more parts and we're ready to go.